How we doing today, fourth and fifth grade? I thought I'd take just a second here to just kind of clarify a few things on the Create a Game. So I'm actually going to use Kira's game right here because she just submitted this to me, or I just opened it up and looked at it, and this is a great example of what I should see for a game. So here's what Kira did, and you guys watching, you're not allowed to rip off this game at all. So fourth grade, if you're watching this, don't do that. Um, so this is what Kira did when she submitted her document right here. Uh, she did so for her list of materials needed. She put in like dodgeballs, mats, jumbo cup stacks. Okay, these are all pieces of equipment that I have back in there. Actually, I don't even have jumbo stacks listed on there, and she just remembered that. So that's a great idea. The game is called Take It Down Dodgeball. All right. Here's the rules. So I've been starting to get a little bit of, I'm starting to get a few of you that are starting to turn stuff in, okay? Which is great. I'm glad that you guys are kind of on the ball and you are submitting things, but what I'm starting to see right now is I'm starting to see some games that are very vague, and let's say that I've never ever played your game before, because I haven't, right? When I look through this, I should have a very, very good idea of how the game is played, okay? Here's her rules, right? No headshots, no physically taking down the cup stacks, no going over the line. If you get hit, you are out. Normal dodgeball rules, if caught a ball, one player gets to come back in, no tackling, okay? Penalties, if you have a headshot, you're out for 30 seconds. If you're over the line, 15 jumping jacks, okay? Goal of the game is to knock down the other team's cup stacks or to get everyone out on that side. How many players at a time? The whole class. She could probably just add in here 2 teams. I'm assuming she wants to have it with 2 teams. And then we go down here. Look at the boundary that she created here. She kind of used her PDF to create a boundary, okay? So I can tell this is the gym right here. This is how the gym is divided right now. Okay, the dodgeballs are in the middle. This is the basketball hoop. This is the basketball hoop. We have mats right here. And then we have the cup stacks. Okay, I can tell just by looking at what she has created here. I know exactly how her game is going to be played, and I know how, before she even walks into class, I know exactly what the equipment is that I need to have out and how the gym is going to be laid out. She's using the middle line of the gym, the half court line for one side and for the other. This is what I'm looking for an example for your Create a Game. So you're not allowed to rip this game off, but this is a great example of what I want to see. Okay, so keep this in mind. I'm going to post this real quick so that you guys can kind of see and hopefully give you a few ideas going forward. You have 2 weeks before this is due. Do not rush and give me a product that has just been turned in because you want it to get done. Take your time, use your imagination, talk to your parents, talk to your siblings, and see if you can come up with a game. And what I would do is, if you're not sure, ask your parents without even telling your parents how your game is played. Show them your game and ask them if it makes sense. That would be a great way to tell if you're actually able to create the game. And if you have to explain something to them about it, then chances are you probably should write that down in your rules. Okay? Good luck. Keep working hard. I'm loving what I'm seeing so far.